Today's video is inspired by the YouTube channel Mix It Up Marci. Thanks so much for the inspiration, Marci. So, Funtober today, the prompt word is stamping. Tomorrow's prompt word is oil pastel. So, I've decided, over here, I've got a big pot of coffee. And I'm going to be stamping the lid of that jar into some coffee and creating some pattern paper, which will then be made available for you guys to download for free and use in your art and craft projects. Let's get into it. You can see I practiced off camera to see if it would work, just doing one circle, and I'm really pleased how it's working. Mix It Up Marci used the bottom of a mug to do it, but I thought the lid worked well, and you can see here the effect I achieved. And I also went in adding little fingerprints afterwards. Catch you guys tomorrow!